Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This stunning 2018 Harley-Davidson Fat Bob with only 611 miles is nearly new and runs great. It's been upgraded with the TRASK Assault Stage 1 turbo kit controlled via Thundermax ECM, valued at nearly $10,000 installed, which gives this bike 40 to 50% increase in power over stock and a fantastic sound. In addition, it comes equipped with a high mount front fender kit, vision lighting systems, flat track style dual projector headlights, a license plate relocation kit, and well executed custom vinyl graphics on the fuel tank, front fender, and rear fender. The stock Harley-Davidson Fat Bob 114 is already an impressive bike, and with its Stage 1 tune, this bike produces roughly 140 horsepower, making it an exhilarating ride with plenty of attitude. The Fat Bob weighs in at 625 pounds and has a 28-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.